Gardening tips for transplanting vegetables into your garden. Transplanting seedlings outdoors is tough due to cold and pests. Here are tips on soil care, proper watering, pest control, plant origin awareness, managing invasiveness, and supporting pollinators, all aimed at reducing garden stress. Acclimate seedlings by gradually increasing sun exposure over a week to reduce shock. Harden above 60 degrees Fahrenheit for strong growth. Essential for cool crops like lettuce. Warm season transplants like peppers need more sun. Choose vibrant, disease-free seedlings with green leaves, sturdy stems, and strong roots. Source from reliable suppliers to prevent pests. Consider varietal origins and invasiveness. Heirloom tomatoes offer flavor but may carry diseases. Enhance soil with aged compost before June. Use horse manure for clay beds, benefiting peppers and eggplants. Compost aids nematodes. Add bone meal for carrots and green sand for tomatoes. Dig holes for seedlings matching their root ball size. Plant South American tomatoes deeply for stability and carrots shallowly for shape.